Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Facebook and going directly to notifications. Tap birthdays and check that birthday alerts are enabled for push, email, and SMS. Once done, make sure your account contact details are verified so alerts can reach you. If you use the app, also check your device's notification permissions. Enabling app notifications there prevents silent delivery. Doing these first steps removes most permission-related failures and gets the platform ready to send birthday reminders without delay. Next, confirm that friends have entered their birthday on their profiles. Facebook can only notify you for listed birthdays. Then sync Facebook birthdays to your phone or Google Calendar so you get redundancy. Open events birthdays and use export or add to calendar. Make sure Do Not Disturb or app quiet hours aren't blocking those time windows because silent modes stop visible notifications. These steps cover both data availability and delivery rules, reducing misses from profile gaps or device-level silencing. To finish, reset the app by logging out, clearing cache, or reinstalling Facebook. This resolves many sync bugs. You should then test by creating a test event or noting a nearby friend's birthday to confirm alerts arrive. If notifications still fail, use settings help and support to report the issue and include device, app version, and steps tried. One troubleshooting tip: if notifications arrive but are delayed, check background, data restrictions, and battery optimization settings. Disabling those often
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.